In this video, I will explain maximum power transfer theorem by using MATLAB Android software. To this, I using a MATLAB. I explain this by using a problem. Else, new file. I created this file by using max power. Max power. Create this first. CLC clear, each ending with semicolon, and then this source voltage Vs equal to 12 semicolon, and source resistance Rs equal to 2. Then I use for loop for I equal to 1. In this for loop, the I value not starts with 0, it starts with 1. I colon 41. Why I use 41? I will tell later. Load resistance RL of I equal to I into 0.1 minus 0.1 semicolon. Then we use a formula PL of I. PL of I equal to brackets, we use under Vs source voltage, Vs divided by bracket Rs source resistance plus RL of I. RL of I. And then the brackets are sufficient, and then we use whole square symbol, whole square into RL of I. RL of I, and we use semicolon, end command we use. In this, the I starts from 1. In this for loop, I starts from 1. When RL of 1 equal to 1 into 0.1 equal to 0.1, 0.1 minus 0.1 equal to 0. When PL of 0 equal to Vs, in this we use Vs equal to 12 by Rs equal to 2, 12 by 2 plus 0, 2 plus 0 equal to 2, 12 by 6, 12 by 2 equal to 6, 6 into 0 equal to 0. The total power when we use RL equal to 0, then the power at this is 0, and we use the plot command, plot of here we don't use RL of I, PL of I. We use RL, PL, because in this graph when we use RL of I, PL of I, then it only shows a point, but we want a graph RL and PL. Then after this plot we also use grid to to want a clear idea of this graph grid. Okay, we used to run it is graph. In this graph, at load resistance 2 the maximum power is 18. So when we zoom it also, it clarify by using grid. So in this file only maths program, in this, instead of defining Vs equal to some value Rs equal to some value, use a input commands like after this Vs equal to Vs equal to opening brackets no input here is a spelling mistake. Input of single notation, enter source voltage. So you are see source voltage. Enter source voltage Vs. Is a space. Vs equal to single notation close. I use this. After this we use Rs, source resistance Rs equal to input semi brackets, enter source resistance. Source resistance Rs equal to single notation semicolon. The all program was correct. Then we use it to run. Here it asks us what is the source voltage value. We use 10. And then what is the source resistance value? We use 2. Then it gives us a graph. This is the graph. In this graph, at value resistance 2, the maximum power delivered is 12.5. This is the graph. This was mostly used in batteries industries to how much the power delivered. If changing the load at what load, the source delivers maximum power to the load. In these conditions, we use this maximum power transfer theorem by using MATLAB. Completed.